Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the template that we had in our Angular project. So, first learn what is the template. So, basically, a template is a chunk of HTML using special syntax within a template to build on many Angular features. Each Angular template in your application is a section of HTML to include as a part of page that the browser displays. So basically, template is an HTML code which is shown on your browser when you run that command. So let's see how we create the template. And read this line. When you generate an Angular application with the Angular CLI, the app.component.html file is the default template containing placeholder HTML. Means this file, that is a default file when we generate our Angular project. This is our default file. So with the help of in the components.html file, we will create the we'll add the template in the component which we created, and in that file we will write some code. And now see how we can create uh, a template in the HTML. So basically, in the previous videos we can see we create this login component, and this is basically a template. This hello world is also a kind of template we are creating here. So in today's video we are gonna see how to add a template in our component, or how we can render this component to our web page. So first of all, I run the localhost server for this to show how our web page looks like. So just hit a command ng-serve, and this will runs your localhost server on the port number 4200. So when it is built, it will show you it will run on the localhost port number 4200, and you can see it here, localhost 4200. So let's go to our browser and run this one on the port number 4200, and let's see what's that. It's a hello world, just a basic. But now we see what is our template and how we can render it on web page. A template is an HTML code, a chunk of HTML code which we will show on our web page to create our website. So let's make something on our web page, just like a division, and let's suppose we're gonna show something big text there, and some designing also. So let's suppose we say a p tag, and so this is a first website to learn template, a chunk of HTML code. So we write the different things here, like a to tag heading. So like we say Angular project, add, just save that, and if just add some CSS to it. So just type this p tag, and so this to background color to p tag is like anything, and for that h2 tag, background color is like anything else, like this one, and just save it. So now we see how our web page looks like. So this is how our web page looks like. Why not the Angular project? Wait a minute. For h2 tag, and there is a to tag blue violet. Oh, sorry. Now we will see a violet background for that. And this is how we can style our web page with the different chunks of HTML code we are writing like this, and we can beautify our page. So this is how we write our HTML code, and this HTML code we call a template in Angular. So in the further videos we will show how to add a bootstrap with the help of which we can write and beautify our web page, and we don't need to write that much of HTML code to beautify or just create a beautiful web page. We just copy code from bootstrap. I thought you all know what is a bootstrap. If not, so we will discuss it further videos. Thank you for this videos.